Hello everyone, welcome to our library virtual orientation. This is to inform you regarding with the changes of our library services during this pandemic. Our library is available online from Monday to Thursday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 8 a.m. to 12 noon during Fridays. We provide circulation and user services, reference and information services, web OPAC services, and document delivery services. To find library materials, we are using online public access catalog, our Destiny Library Manager, an online catalog of bibliographic records of materials available in AUP libraries. To access our OPAC, just go to your browser and type webopac.aup.edu.ph and press enter to search, and you will be redirected to this homepage. There you are! You can now start your search on the search box. You can do the basic search here. You may search using the keyword, the title, the author, the subject, or the series. You may also set the material type if you're looking for a specific material. For example, book. Let's say you're looking for the book about biology, so just type the word biology in the search box, then press keyword to search. So here is the result of your search. You can actually sort it by call number, title, author, date, type, status, and relevance. Let's try to sort it by date and click go. See the latest copies of the books, and as you notice, books are located in the different sections or in the different libraries. There might be a question in your mind right now, how are you going to borrow them? Hold on, because later, I will tell you how. But for now, let's move on to the next database. This online research platform is available anytime, anywhere you are. To access, just go to On this page, you can see the databases for college, EBSCO Discovery Service, Explora Primary Schools, Explora Secondary Schools, Explora Educators Edition, and so on. For high school students, we will be using Explora Secondary Schools. You may click on that And there you go! You can now start the search. In the search box, just type what you need and then press the search icon in the right corner. So here is the result list of what you have searched. This is just an overview of how you can access our EBSCO host. To borrow a book or the digitized copy of the book, your account in the library must be activated. To activate your library account, please do not hesitate to reach us during this schedule. Once you are activated and you want to use our library materials, feel free to fill out this form that we have posted on our library Facebook page. For other concern regarding with the book or any material located in the college library, please don't hesitate to contact them through their Facebook page, for they are willing to assist you. For junior high school and senior high school library concerns, we are glad to serve you.